Todoist and TickTick are two of the most widely used daily planning apps among professionals. Both help you organize tasks, stay on schedule, and manage work across different projects. But they each approach productivity a little differently. The best choice depends on your work style, how you prefer to view your tasks, and whether you want something simple or something more feature-rich. Let's start with Todoist. Todoist is focused on clean structure and clarity. When you open it, it is very easy to understand what you need to do next. Tasks are organized into projects. You can add labels, priorities, and recurring reminders. The design is simple and minimal, which helps reduce distraction. One of the strongest features in Todoist is natural language input. You can type something like, "Call marketing lead tomorrow at 3 in the afternoon," and Todoist will automatically set the date and time. It makes adding tasks fast, which is great when your day is already full. Todoist also works very well across devices. Whether you are on phone, tablet, or desktop, the layout is consistent. Syncing is smooth, and you do not feel like you have to manage the app. It is simply there to catch your ideas and organize your schedule. Many professionals like Todoist because it stays out of the way. It does not overwhelm you with extra tools unless you want them. Now, let's look at TickTick. TickTick can feel more feature-packed from the start. It includes everything you would expect from a task manager, but also adds a built-in calendar view, a habit tracker, and even a Pomodoro timer. If you are the kind of person who plans your day in time blocks or likes to combine task lists with productivity techniques, TickTick gives you more built-in structure. The calendar view in TickTick is a big advantage for visual planners. You can drag tasks directly onto the calendar and see how your day is laid out. This helps avoid overbooking and gives you a sense of how long tasks may take. The habit tracking feature also adds another layer of personal accountability. If you are working on building routines like morning writing sessions or daily workouts, TickTick can track those alongside your professional tasks. There is no wrong choice. Both are strong. The decision is about the style of planning that makes you feel in control. If you are uncertain, think about the simplest question. Do you like to plan your day in a list or on a calendar? If list planning is more natural to you, Todoist will likely feel right. If calendar planning is more natural to you, TickTick may be the better fit. Both can make your day smoother, clearer, and more intentional. The best planning app is the one that supports how your mind works, not the one with the most features.